For ya eda Mahami royal family or dagbon. Ese neidi e was attending a ye juma. Bamboku ni nyina ne aban wo mo enhwemra na asomdwe ntumi fa no ntuma pamfam fra bra. Eye ohene owo sagne na san community. Mahami family no ye be kire no sebe ye bebie kwan na afa ye de henfofo asisi no. Omo hia bambo mu eden e wo ho nti bamboku nyina ne aban hwemfo wo hunyim na asomdwe fa no ntuma pa emfra.
Royal family omo dagbon kingdom ene nsenchofo kasa ewo tamale abra wo manfo bi abechi San Regent akosi a womo hwehwe na womo enhunu no womo de tudwa se womo de adesede eto aban nanim se ne aban no ebehwe ema asomdue aba ewo won empatem San Regent ya womo akochi no esie ne nua ba kwa wo ne Adom News nsenchofo atwetwe nkomo no eye Muhammad Dasana Ziblila
yesterday midnight around 12:30. Now we were just they called us that there were some thugs at Sang Palace who came and took Sang Banglana out of the palace and go somewhere that we don't know. Up till now, we don't know where Sang Banglana is. And all this is about Mahami royal family. Yana said he is cancelling Mahami royal family in Dagbang Namship, which cannot be, inshallah, inshallah. Because he told our people, our fathers, that we will never request a Nam or chieftaincy title and get it when he's alive.
What sign adding semfo say and a tudra?
He's not in the chief palace. He can't be the chief palace. The chief palace was built by our great grandfather, who was called Karna Bukari, in 1899.
Eto tutu bi a ekoso ewo Nyankpala ewo Tolon district enam ntimo ase bi a ekoso ewo ahemfo entem no enam so ama sojafo ene aposifo akogye kuro no aboso sene wo mo behwe ama asomdue aba ho